In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Google Sheets data as a CSV file and open it for a quick check or edit. First, make sure your Google Sheets document is open in your browser and that you're looking at the sheet you want to export. A quick note here. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It's a simple, universal file format that saves only the raw data, not formulas, formatting, or images. That's why CSV is perfect for importing your sheet into other tools, databases, or apps. With your sheet open, look to the top left of the screen and click the File tab in the menu bar. A drop-down will appear. Move your mouse over the download option without clicking yet. This will expand a side menu of export formats. From that list, choose comma-separated values, as CSV, current sheet. The phrase current sheet is important. Google Sheets will export only the tab you're currently viewing, not the entire spreadsheet. So if you need a different tab, simply click that tab in your document first, then repeat the same selection. Selecting the CSV option will trigger the download immediately. There's no extra confirmation needed. Your browser will save the file automatically, usually to your Downloads folder, unless you've set a custom location. You'll see the file name based on your sheet title, ending with .csv. If your browser shows a download bar or tray, you can click the file directly from there to open it. Now, open the downloaded CSV file to check or edit it. You can use Excel, Numbers, LibreOffice, or even a plain text editor if you want to see the raw commas and values. When you open it in a spreadsheet program, you'll notice the data is flattened. Formulas become their last calculated values, and colors, merged cells, and charts won't appear. That's normal for CSV. Scan a few rows to make sure everything looks correct, especially columns with dates, numbers with leading zeros, or special characters. If something looks off, you can close the file and repeat the export after correcting your sheet. If you plan to share or import the CSV elsewhere, consider renaming the file to something clear and versioned so you can find it later. And if you have multiple tabs to export, remember to download each one individually by switching to the tab you need and selecting the CSV option again. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet, go to File, hover over Download, choose CSV for the current sheet, let it download, and open the file to review or edit.